Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create a Signal account step by step using your mobile device. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and download the Signal Private Messenger app and launch it open. In the first welcome screen, tap on the continue button and follow through the on-screen instruction. Allow permissions for Signal to your notification and your contact by tapping continue and clicking on allow. On the next page, make sure to type in your phone number after selecting the country code and tap on next at the top right. Now, you'll receive an SMS code sent to your mobile number. Simply go ahead and type it down and this will verify your phone number. On the next page, it'll ask you to create a PIN for yourself so that it can help you restore your account and keep your info encrypted. Make sure to type in at least 4 digits PIN code and click next at the top right. Confirm your PIN code by re-entering it again on the next page and tap next. And now you'll need to set up your profile. You can add a profile picture for yourself by tapping on the little camera icon right in front of the human icon. Take a picture from your device's camera or upload an existing picture from your device's camera roll. You can also choose the provided avatar at the bottom and click on Set at the top right. Now enter your first name and then your last name. Under Who Can Find Me by my number, select whether everybody or nobody according to your preference and click Continue. Now click the next button at the top right and you will be able to finish the account creation process. You now have a working Signal account ready for private messaging. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, or share the video with your friends. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss another tech tutorial from us. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.